Welcome back, Hotelier. Food and beverage, standard operating procedures and understanding the departmental policies. Chapter 7, Part 96. Handling mobile coffee machines. Our approach to mobile coffee machines embodies not just functionality, but a dance of precision and care. As we transport and operate these machines, we weave an intricate narrative of detail-oriented steps, ensuring that every cup of coffee crafted is a testament to our commitment to excellence. Methodical setup. Transporting with caution. When transferring the coffee machine, a gentle and deliberate approach is paramount. With each step, we navigate without impact, avoiding contact with doors and walls, preserving the aesthetic integrity of the venue. Pristine water source. The foundation of great coffee lies in water quality. We meticulously inspect the water tank, confirming its cleanliness and replenishing it with fresh, clean tap water. Coffee preparation ritual. Our coffee beans, stored at an optimal temperature, are carefully selected. Before placing them in the machine, we shake the coffee package, ensuring an even distribution of flavors. Attentive package opening. Each coffee package is a treasure trove of aroma and taste. With precision, we tear the package and extract the coffee tab, preserving the integrity of the contents. Positioning perfection. Placing the coffee is a ritual of its own. We treat it as a delicate maneuver, ensuring that the coffee finds its home in the machine with precision. Elegant exterior. Our commitment to cleanliness extends to the coffee machine's exterior. A damp cloth becomes our tool to meticulously cleanse, removing any trace of dust from both machine and trolley. Container care. The container beneath the coffee flow is not overlooked. We remove, wash, and restore it to pristine condition, a reflection of our dedication to both aesthetics and hygiene. Operational mastery. Connecting and powering. A seamless connection to power is made, and with intention, we switch on the coffee machine. Every action is deliberate, ensuring that we bring the machine to life gracefully. Initialization ritual. With precision, we engage the machine, initiating its functions with the poise of a conductor beginning a symphony. The machine comes alive, promising a delightful coffee experience. Timed patience. We are mindful that great coffee requires patience. With foresight, we prepare the machine well in advance, allowing it the necessary 20 minutes to warm up, ensuring optimal brewing conditions. Vigilant supervision. After the waiting period, we stand as guardians of quality, checking that every mechanism operates as intended. Our vigilance ensures that the machine's performance meets our high standards. To handling mobile coffee machines is an art form. With every action, we honor the intricate dance of crafting exceptional coffee, demonstrating that even seemingly mundane tasks are elevated to expressions of excellence. Thanks for watching my video. If you had a good time, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Your support means a lot to me. Take care and stay curious.